Soundbars have evolved from simple TV speakers into capable, compact home theater solutions that deliver cinematic bass, immersive surround processing, and smart features without the footprint of a full AV receiver. This comparison analyzes 5 Sony Soundbars, including a Bravia-branded option and a Bose entry for cross-brand context.
List number 1. S100F 2.0 channel soundbar with bass reflex speaker. The S100F is Sony's compact 2.0 channel option designed for small rooms and desktop setups. It integrates a built-in tweeter, a bass reflex speaker, and S-Force front surround to simulate multi-channel sound from a slim cabinet. Its simple HDMI ARC TV setup, Bluetooth streaming, and wall mount capability make it a flexible option for space-constrained living rooms or home offices. With a modest 120W peak output, it excels at clarity and speech reproduction, aided by a dedicated voice enhancement feature that sharpens dialogue in TV content or conference calls. In short, it prioritizes intelligibility and compactness over deep bass or true surround expansion, making it an approachable entry point for minimal setups. In practice, the S100F delivers crisp mids and clear dialogues, which helps when watching news or talk shows. The 2.0 configuration relies on S-Force front surround to create a sense of width rather than a rear channel immersion. For casual TV watching, this is sufficient, but it lacks the sub-bass impact of a 2.1 or higher system. Its wall mount option and wall-friendly depth allow placement under a low-profile TV, though the single remote control and straightforward inputs will feel limited for users seeking room-filling cinema performance. The weight and enclosure design contribute to a stable on-shelf presence without excessive bulk.
List number 2. HT S400 2.1 channel soundbar with powerful wireless subwoofer. The HT S400 expands to 2.1 channels with a dedicated wireless subwoofer, delivering richer bass and a more engaging overall sonic presentation than a pure 2.0 bar. It features S-Force Pro front surround, Dolby Digital, and an X-Balance speaker unit designed to widen soundstage while maintaining vocal clarity. The aligned subwoofer helps anchor action scenes in music with noticeable low-end impact, which is a step up from the S100F for film and gaming listening. Its compact chassis and wall mounting capability allow flush installation, and Bluetooth streaming adds wireless versatility for casual music playback. Performance-wise, the HT S400 shows better dynamic range thanks to the subwoofer and a more pronounced low-end presence. The 2.1 configuration still relies on frontal processing for spatial cues, so it won't deliver true rear-channel ambiance without add-ons. The included remote and OLED-like display window simplify operation, but the lack of explicit room calibration means the sound can feel a bit bright or bass light in challenging rooms. It's well suited for living rooms where dialogue clarity matters, but users still want palpable bass during movies and gaming.
List number 3. HT A3000 3.1 channels Dolby Atmos TV soundbar with DTS.X. Positioned as a budget-conscious Dolby Atmos capable option, the HT A3000 delivers 3.1 channels with 2 subwoofers and 360 spatial sound mapping. This arrangement aims to combine a solid central dialogue channel with immersive overhead-like effects through Sony's spatial mapping, even without a full 5.1.2 setup. The integration with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirPlay 2 adds modern streaming flexibility, and the dual subwoofers provide a more even bass response than a single-driver approach. The standing price point of $498 makes it a compelling option for buyers seeking Atmos features without the bulk of a larger system. In practice, the 3.1 setup with 360 spatial sound mapping can produce convincing object-based cues for movies and games, though true overhead effects will depend on room acoustics and object placement. 2 subwoofers help flatten bass response and reduce port-induced coloration, which is beneficial in mid to large rooms. For dialogue-rich content, the central channel remains clear, while the surround cues provide atmosphere without overwhelming the listener. It's a practical choice for mid-sized rooms where you want Atmos processing without expanding to a full 5.1.2 array.
List number 4. Bravia Theater Bar 8 Soundbar for TV Surround Sound Home Theater. The Bravia Theater Bar 8 is Sony's high-end, feature-rich flagship that aims to transform the TV into a theater. With 11 speakers, 495-watt peak output, 360-degree spatial sound mapping, and extensive Sony technologies such as acoustic center sync and various gaming optimizations, it positions itself as a premium cinema-focused solution. It supports Dolby Atmos and DTS-X and includes wired connections, HDMI eARC, and wireless streaming via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This bar is designed to integrate deeply with Bravia TVs and PS5, leveraging TV native controls and feature sets to deliver a cohesive user experience. In use, Bar 8 delivers expansive sound with strong mid-range presence and dynamic overhead effects when configured with compatible rear channels or optional wireless subs. The acoustic center sync feature can simplify control and aim to reduce lip sync issues in TV menus, while its gaming enhancements, auto HDR tone mapping, and auto genre modes tailor visuals and audio for interactive entertainment. The trade-offs are its larger footprint and higher price, which may limit placement options.
List number 5. TV Speaker Soundbar for TV with Bluetooth. The Bose TV speaker is a compact, no-frills option focused on speech clarity, designed to be a straightforward upgrade for TV sound without the complexity of larger systems. With 2 angled full-range drivers, Bluetooth streaming, and simple optical or HDMI ARC inputs, it's built for quick setup and stable everyday use. While it won't rival the bass density of a subwoofer-enabled system, its dialogue-enhancing design and small form factor make it attractive for bedrooms, offices, or secondary TVs, where simplicity and intelligibility are paramount. In practice, the Bose TV speaker excels at intelligibility and ease of use. The dialogue mode and bass boost options offer quick tuning for movies and dialogue-driven content, but the trade-off is a comparatively limited soundstage and depth. It supports expanding with Bose bass modules or rear speakers, but those add-ons increase cost and complexity. The remote and app experiences are straightforward, making it ideal for minimalists or first-time soundbar buyers who prioritize clear speech over visceral cinema impact.